What circuit boards do we do? Number 35. TMM10i high frequency PCB. TMM10i is an isotropic thermoset microwave material designed to deliver high purity thru-hole reliability. It is a ceramic thermoset polymer composite that combines the desirable features of ceramic and PTFE substrates, which are ideal for straight line and microstrip applications. TMM10i features isotropic dielectric constant of 9.8 plus and minus 0.245, ensuring consistent performance in all directions, along with a low dissipation factor of 0.002 at 10 GHz, minimizing signal loss for efficient transfer. Its minus 14.3 parts per million per current thermal coefficient of decay ensures reliable performance across a wide temperature range, with a high decomposition temperature of 425 degrees Celsius. TMM10i exhibits excellent thermal stability even at high temperatures. Additionally, it maintains dimensional stability with a low coefficient of thermal expansion of 19 parts per million per current in X and Y axis and 20 parts per million per current in the Z axis from 0 to 140 degrees Celsius. Furthermore, it has a thermal conductivity of 0.76 watts per meter per Kelvin at 80 degrees Celsius. While moisture absorption rates are 0.16% at 1.27 mm thickness and 0.13% at 3.18 mm thickness. TMM10i PCB finds common uses in RF and microwave circuitry, power amplifiers, filters and couplers, satellite communication systems, as well as antennas for global positioning systems and other applications. Thank you. I'll see you next time.